I'm here at Amazon's Day One headquarters in Seattle, Washington, where they announced a slew of new devices at a big device event here at the Spheres outside. And among them, we've got new Amazon Echo Buds. These are wireless Bluetooth earbuds that have Alexa built in. They have full voice activated functionality, so you can just say the wake word, activate the assistant, ask it a question, and get a response right in your ear. Now, in addition to that, you can actually tap and hold to access the assistant of your choice on your phone. So if you use Siri on an iPhone or the Google Assistant on an Android device, just tap and hold and you can talk to that assistant too. You can also double tap to activate Bose ambient noise reduction. So that's going to help bring the sound down in places where it might be a little noisy, like here in this press room. It's not full noise canceling, but it is an added element of sound quality that a lot of audiophiles might appreciate. Now, the Echo Buds come in this nice charging case, and they give about 5 hours of battery life for streaming music, 4 hours if you're making calls, Amazon says. Now, you'll see when I open up the case here, you get this little light that comes on, it's green, and then it's going to turn blue to indicate that the buds have paired with the phone. And when you see that, you're also going to get a little card in the Alexa app that offers controls for the buds. With that card, you can turn the microphone on and off, you can mute it if you want a little privacy. You can also control the pass-through and the ambient noise reduction that's provided by Bose here. So it's supposed to be a very good, crisp sound from a nice set of earbuds. Now, Amazon's Echo Buds are available for pre-order right now at a price of $129.99 and expected to ship out in time for the holidays. They'll try and compete with Apple's AirPods and the Samsung Galaxy Buds. We'll be testing them out soon to let you know how they stack up.